Hi, my name is Dennis Abba from Xander Technologies. I'm here to give us a high-level overview of our content management solution, Xandadeck. Xandadeck is a cloud-based content management system. This technology has rendered the use of flash drive to show content on screen obsolete. Xandadeck is that technology that can turn your regular TV screens to almost smart screen, as we will see in just few minutes. Our solution supports multiple media files such as images, videos, and audio files. And aside that, it is capable of showing web pages, documents such as Word, PDF, and presentation slide. And on top of that, we have widget functions built into our platform that can enable you showcase some particular functions. And aside that, you can also show live stream. We have layout functions that enable you to design your screen the way you want it to be or partition it into different layouts and so on and so forth. Of course, your screen can be scattered around the world, but you control all of them from one place. That is the beauty of this solution. This particular solution comprises of two main components. One is the Xandabox and the second one is the Xandadeck Portal. The Xandabox is the actual device that you hide behind your TV screen. The job of your Xandabox is just to showcase whatever you send to it from the portal. So it doesn't do much. It's just a plug and play device. It doesn't need any configuration from your end. All you need is just connect it to your existing internet, give it a power supply, and then just plug the HDMI to your screen. And whatever you send from Xandadeck portal, it goes into it automatically and it starts showing it on your screen immediately. So as we have mentioned earlier, the platform supports all kind of media files, as you would imagine, from images, videos, audios, documents, and web pages. And on top of that, we have a couple of features and functionalities that make this whole technology very beautiful. Starting from the widget aspect, widgets are blocks of content that you can add to your screen aside your regular media file. You have hundreds of pre-designed widgets that you can make use of on the platform. Also, it is capable of creating playlists. You can create playlists with a combination of videos, audios, images, and more. They can be played back on your screen either sequentially or in shuffled order. Layout functionality is one of the most beautiful things that we've created on this platform. These functions allows you to partition your screen the way you want it to be like. For example, if you have a media file on your flash drive and you just hide the flash drive behind your TV, once it starts playing, it takes the whole of your screen to show whatever media file you have there. Whether it's image or a video, it takes the whole of your screen. With the layout functionality that we have on our platform, you can partition your screen the way you want it to be. For example, you can have different activities happening on your screen. You can cut one part of your screen while it's showing video, the other side is showing maybe a text information to your audience, or maybe a couple of pictures showing in another side of it. We will see this in just few minutes. So with that being said, let's just look at the Xandadeck portal and how it looks like so that we can have a feel of what we are saying. So the first step is, I'm going to exit out of here and take us to a web browser. The first thing to do is to go to app.xandadeck.com. That is the website to go. Log in with your account. I think I have multiple accounts, so I'm going to change this to a different account that I have. Okay. This account is not correct. password for this. Okay. Okay. It was a wrong password initially, so I'm trying to log into my Xandadeck portal so that I can be able to create something and send to my screen. Pardon my network connection there. It's slowing. Seems it's a little slow, but I think it's just going to come up in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is the portal. Since this is just like an overview of this solution, we're not going to dive into the nitty gritty of what is happening right here, but just from this portal on your left pane here, you have some navigation buttons that you can play around with, starting from the dashboard here. The dashboard actually give you an overview of what is happening in your account. You have the number of monitors that are online, the number of monitors that are offline, and the rest of them. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to go straight to media files, because the way the system works is, first, whatever you need to push to your screen, regardless of where it's located, all you need to do is you upload the content into your account that exists on our portal, the Xandadeck portal in this case. And once you upload that content to that place, you just send it to your screen. So wherever your screen is located, it takes the instruction immediately and starts showing it on the TV to your audience. So you don't need to visit wherever your TVs are located before you show whatever you want to show on your screen. So first step is you have to go to, if it's image you want to upload, you just click on image. This type is just it's just as simple as ABC. You click on add image, and here it's going to give me two options. You see an image file that I want to upload, or a stock photo. Like I mentioned before, we have free stock photos within the system that you can take advantage of. But for this example, I'm going to upload an image that I have on my computer. So I click on image files. So click here, and it opens my computer. The next thing is just to follow the bouncing ball. Just select the image that you want to upload. I'm just looking if I have any image here. Just for example, you click on whatever image you have that you want to upload. You just click open, and then it goes from there to, let's say this is the image that I want to send to my screen. I click on open, and it says what, and then I click upload. I give it a name, and the rest is just simple. So for the because of our time, I've gone one step ahead to upload some files. I've designed something very simple, and I've pushed something to my screen. So I just want us to go to what I've sent to my screen, and we just take a look at it in few in action. I've uploaded a couple of videos to my account. I've designed something very simple from the widget perspective, as I mentioned. um, I have something from, let's say, I've created a simple playlist, and I also have a layout functions here that I've designed to suit my need. And if we look at this layout here, I have a scrolling text displaying from the top, and I have a couple of videos here as playlist on this side of my screen. I have some images here. I have a time widget here that is showing the current time of the day, and yeah, scrolling text here is a news feed though. It's an RSS feed from CNN. So let's just see it in action and what it looks like. So I'm going to go back to my presentation slide, and I think that is where have this in action. So I'm going to play it. When you send it to your screen, immediately you send it to your screen, the screen grabs whatever you send and starts showing immediately. You don't need to touch anything from your screen before it starts showing whatever content you sent to it. So looking at my screen, what I have here is just a combination of widgets, layout function, playlists, and so on and so forth to come up with this. To create this, you are not limited in any way. All you need is you are only limited by your level of design skills and so on. So what I have here from the top here, I have a scrolling text that is showing on my screen, and I've partitioned the screen again. Below it, I have a couple of videos created as playlists showing in some part of the screen. While on the right hand side here, I have different images showing. I have time widget functions here, and I have a CNN RRS feed shown on this bottom side of the screen. So like I mentioned earlier, your regular flash drive can't do this, because if you have a video that you want to show on the screen, you just push it on your flash drive, you slot the flash drive behind your TV, and it continues to show whatever you have there. But with this solution, you can do more. You can stay in one place and shoot your content to all your TV screen, even if they are 1 million in numbers. You don't need to visit each and every one of them for you to control whatever that you want to shoot on your screen or you want to show on your screen. And then all of this text that you see happening on my screen, you can take your screen, design it the way you want, have different activities going on your screen. So that is just the high level overview of this technology. We hope to see you so that we discuss further as to the capabilities of this particular technology. So for more information about Xandadeck, visit xandadeck.com, and for other digital signage technologies, please visit xandatechnologies.com. Thank you very much for viewing.